Welcome to Dream League Soccer. First, let's run through. Use the control stick to move your player around. Your player will automatically. This is the low kick button. Use this to punt. This is the hard kick button. Use this for shots, clearances, or long. This is the lofted kick button. Use this when in possession. Swipe on the right when the ball is in the air. Double. Now we've been through the controls. Let's get into the match. So we're off. Which way will this game go? At the striker's feet. The referee has indicated a goal kick. Well, great conditions today. The sun is out and the fan. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the control. Use the B button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back to the action. Oh, it's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. That's good link-up play. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Alves, who collects it easily. He's cut it back inside. He must score, and he hits it. Just needed a bit more composure to get that shot on target. Well, let's have a look at that one again. That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. Keeper put his boot behind that. Headed on. The striker picks it up. It's with the striker. He loves... Oh, he must score! Alves, who collects it easily. Back towards the centre. That's a rash challenge there. Well, and here's a chance. Martinez. Not the best effort there. Well, let's take another look at that. Keeper plays it short there. Defender is on the ball. Distributes the play. He's got the ball at his feet. And the team swap possession again. Passed inside. Dangerous tackle there. Good ball. The attacker is in possession. And we're into stoppage time now. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. The striker picks it up. Great chance here. Pulls the trigger. Goodness me, that was close. Let's look at this attempt again. No wonder the players thought it was going in. Kicked outfield. Oh, not too many talking points in that opening 45 minutes. Let's hope the half-time team talk conjures up some better play in the second period. It's goalless, 0-0. Can anyone score in this second half? Striker's ball. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. He failed to connect with that tackle. Confident pass. Finds his teammate. Lovely passing here. This team are really going for it. This is good stuff. Oh, it's a clear chance, and it's in. A goal on his debut. What a start. Let's take a closer look at that goal now.